Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Favian Hanasta. I'm from Telecommunication Engineering at Electronic Engineering Polytechnic Institute of Surabaya. Now, let me present you about my last project planners about plastic waste image transmission system on the bank of the Kalimas Surabaya River in the context of the identification of plastic waste for environmental health. This is the roadmap for this presentation. The first is background, purpose of research, formulation of the problem, limitation, system plan, and expected result. And the first is the background for the background of the research. The first is law of public awareness about the environmental health. This is very dangerous because it can causes the fault and then environmental pollution. And then from the data in 2018 from the Ministry of Health Research data, it is known that only 20% of the total Indonesian people care about the hygiene and health. And then it proved only around 52 million people have a concern for the cleanliness of the surrounding environment. And then there are still many plastic waste dumped in the river. Second is purpose of research. The first purpose is designing an image transmission system and implement data communication in the plastic waste recognition system. And then the second purpose is implement the transmission system in the plastic waste recognition system. And then the last purpose is implement and realize the plastic waste recognition system for environmental health. And this is the formulation of the problem. The first formulation is how can the device send a plastic waste image from the prototype to the server, and then how is the process of taking picture of plastic waste using a prototype device, and then how is the scenario of the network design for prototype communication with the server, and then the last formulation is how is the transmission system implementation in the plastic waste recognition system. And this is the problem limitation. The first limitation is in the research area. The research area is on the bank of Kalimas Surabaya River. And then the specified image data format for this research. And then contributor send image data through web-based application. Transmission system that connects a node with a server. And then Raspberry Pi as a microcontroller on the node. This is the system plan for this research, and soon there will be 5 nodes that are made and distributed at several points on the bank of the Kalimas Surabaya River. And then these 5 nodes is built on there's 5 nodes built from Raspberry, camera, XBS protocol, and the battery. And the nodes will be connected to the gateway for sending the data and reach the server. And then in addition to the data from the node, data can also be sent by contributor who upload the image via web-based application. And then on the server there will be a data processing. And the last is expected result. The expected output is a transmission system built on a prototype device that can transmit image data with low noise so that it can simplify the classification process in the server. And then the prototype device in the context of the identification of plastic waste on the bank of the Kalimas Surabaya can be monitored the result via the web directly and monitor the result in real time. And then that it can make it easier for monitoring the condition of plastic waste on the bank of the Kalimas River in Surabaya. And thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.